In today's video, I'm showing you how to make your own adorable baby in fruit videos. The ones going viral on social media for free.
Please help my creator out by liking, subscribing, and now let's get started.
Okay guys, so the first thing we want to do is go to ChatGPT. I've already have the prompt here, text to image that I'm going to use for the baby watermelon, okay? And I'm going to copy it, okay? Right click, okay? Then we're going to go over to Google. In Google, you're going to type in Wiz AI Google, okay? You're going to click on this one right here, okay? Google Labs, all right? And then you're going to launch Wiz. Go ahead and click on it, okay? Okay, guys, so I already have an account with Wiz. This is a free tool. It does give you free images, okay? So you can sign up using your Gmail account or create an account using an email, okay? So once you do have your account made, go ahead and enter the tool, and I'm going to right click my prompt that I just got from ChatGPT. Then we're going to hit the arrow button, okay? And so these are the images that Wiz gave us. I do like the images. I'm going to go with this one right here. I'm going to go to the right corner and just click the download button. So now that I'm back in ChatGPT, I'm going to copy my next prompt. All you're going to do is right click, copy, and then go right back to Whisk, okay? Paste your prompt and hit the arrow for it to generate, okay? Okay, so these are the images that Whisk gave us. I do like this one overall. I'm going to go ahead and go to the download button and download it. So once you have all your images downloaded, the next thing you want to do is go back to ChatGPT so we can get our videos to go with the images, okay? So now that we back on ChatGPT, we're going to right click and copy this prompt. And then the next thing we're going to do, guys, is go to Google and type in Grok AI. We're going to, Grok is going to create, put our images into a video. So go ahead and click on it, okay? Now, I already have an account with Grok. So what you have to do, if you don't have an account with Grok, you can use your Gmail account or use an email to create a new account. But once you do have an account, go over here into Imagine, okay? And we're going to come down here. Make sure it does say 916. When it does say that, come over here to the left corner, and we're going to upload our image from Whisk, okay? And then we're going to right click and paste our prompt from ChatGPT to give us the video, okay? Okay, so this is the video that Grok gave us. It is cute. I think it's cute, so I'm going to use this one, okay? If you didn't like the video, you can just come down here at the bottom and click redo, and Grok will give you another video, okay? The video that Grok gave us, I don't really like that one, so I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. And I'm just going to come down here and download this free video, okay? So this is a free software, guys. So guys, all you have to do, you will basically repeat this process. Just go back to ChatGPT and get your next image to video prompt and paste it in here and download it for free.
Now you know exactly how to create your own baby and fruit video from start to finish, upload and post it.